We can't sleep in our van. Why, you ask? Because the bed is about full size, maybe smaller, and we currently sleep in a king size bed at home. So as you can imagine, it's a pretty tight fit for us. There's a lot of tossing and turning. Chris gets a little claustrophobic, causes me to push myself against the back doors to give him more room, then I'm not sleeping comfortably either. So after a few trips, we decided we needed to make a change. I did some research and I found a company called Luno that does custom mattresses that fit the Sprinter van. So it is a cab mattress with a T-shaped base that's inflatable that goes in the footwells and between the seats, and an inflatable mattress on top. It's about a twin size, and I know that the height limit is 5'8", which works great because I'm only 5'7". I can't recall what the weight limit is right now, so we'll have to look that up, but it works for me. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up and some things I've done to make it more comfortable. Alrighty, so the Luno mattress arrives in this really nice canvas tote. In the tote, there is a pocket that holds a rechargeable air pump. And the air pump also is used for deflating. So really handy, and it holds a charge for a long time. I still have not figured out how to put the mattress back in the canvas bag when I'm done with it. So right now I just hold it back up and throw it in the back. So this is the inflatable base. I've already taken it out of the bag since we've used it once before. It has two holes, one for inlet and one for outlet. So one is for putting the air in, one's for letting the air out. I'm going to show you how we put it in here and how we inflate it. I like to make sure that they're very well sealed so the air doesn't come out. So the best thing to do is to put both your seats back as far as they go. Well, good. All right. So then, place it between the seat. I'm gonna get down here so you can see, but basically just set it on there. So here's the base inflated, and the seats can move up some, but I like to put the mattress down first before we do that. Okay, now that we have the base up, I'm going to show you the mattress. It still has a little air in it from the last time, but basically it's a really thick, tough canvas, almost military grade. And you just put it here. It has a notch for where the cup holders are. And same thing, you're going to inflate it with the pump. It has the two holes, one for deflating and one for inflating. So I'm going to go ahead and inflate this one. I'm going to sit over here so you can see. Okay, and that is the mattress. So one thing I've done to make it more comfortable is I added a cooling foam topper I got on Amazon, and I cut it to fit. So now I'm going to show you how to deflate it. use the one on the top right here to deflate. And you use the out button. Once you pull it, it already starts to blow some of the air out. And then you can do the rest. And there we go. Now, do I have patience? No. Can you deflate this more and maybe fold it nice and get it back into the bag? Maybe. I can't. So this is tossed on the back of the bed as is. So that's the Luno mattress, and that's how we sleep.